everyone, it's Marie with M&D Trading, and we're back today. We have some Disney Lorcana. I got lucky and just went into my local game store, and they were selling the packs pretty cheap. Had it limited, so you could only buy 8 packs, but it gets our foot in the door. So I am very excited to be able to share this and open this on the channel with everyone. I really wasn't expecting anything to be left in stock, so I'm very excited that I was able to find some packs. All right, here we go. Sergeant Tibbs, Dingle Hopper. I was obviously a very big Disney fan growing up, still am. So I'm really looking forward to this. Ooh, Aurora. Rapunzel. If you've been able to open any, let us know what you've got, what you think. Oh, the Mad Hatter. Jafar. There's that foiling on the card. I think that's a pretty nice finish. I think it looks good. And jump into our next pack. And let us know what you think of Disney Lorcana so far. I know it hasn't fully released yet. And I think this will be a hit. I think it will be very nostalgic for a lot of people, and it'll be fun for parents to play with their kids, and a nice interactive game for kids. I'm looking forward to playing with my niece and nephew. All right, pack 3. If you have been able to get some, let us know if you were able to get in a good price. I was actually very surprised. I was only charged $6 a pack, so I can't complain at all. Maleficent. Beast Mirror. Fan the Flames. All right, there's a Mickey Mouse. Nice foiling on there. It's a nice looking card. I'll be kind of curious to see what happens with some of the Mickey Mouse cards. Didn't Disney announce that they were retiring Mickey Mouse, which seems a little crazy to me, but I think it'll be interesting to see what happens with the pricing of some of the Mickey Mouse cards as that happens. Obviously, probably not right away, but later down the line. There's our Minnie Mouse. Leave us a comment and let us know what your favorite Disney movie was, or is. If you still like watching Disney, I still do. But I don't know that I can pick a favorite. I don't know. I suppose I would say Beauty and the Beast, but I think a lot of girls would say that. But leave us a comment. Let us know what you think below. All right. Tinkerbell. Mufasa. That's a nice looking card. Rafiki. Stitch. Fire the cannons. All right. Well, these packs are much easier to open than Magic is. At least for me. I always struggle. I always go to the scissors for Magic. Meg, Flounder, Aladdin, and if you've actually had a chance to sit down and play the game, let us know what you think. Leave a comment. How was the gameplay? You think this would be fun? Do you think that kids will catch on easily? Beast. It's a pretty card. I've not actually had a chance to sit down and play. I've been saving it. I really want to play for the first time with my niece and nephew, so I'm looking forward to that. They are just about at the age where they can make sense of some games now, so I'm looking forward to it. The wardrobe. Quite a few Maleficents in these packs. Captain Hook. Donald Duck. Another Rafiki. Moana. Cruella de Vil. Miserable as usual. And Lantern. All right, last pack. I'm anxious to get my hands on more. I know the prices have skyrocketed on this. So it will be interesting to see what happens with this once it's fully released, how the prices stabilize. I have a feeling this is one that will keep jumping up in price, but we'll see. Ooh, Detective Mickey Mouse. Goons. Lilo. Ooh, the poisoned apple. And Peter Pan. Nice foiling on that. That will wrap it up for these first 8 packs. I'm sure that we will have more on the channel. Let us know what you think. Please be sure that you hit the thumbs up and subscribe. We really appreciate you watching, and let us know what you've been able to pull. If you've been lucky enough to get your hands on it, let us know what your local game store is saying, if they've been able to keep it in stock. We look forward to hearing from you and opening more packs. Thanks for watching.